Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you just a quick video here on how to add a team member in your workspace basically. So right now I've logged into my dashboard, and this is my dashboard right now. So if you come here down here in the bottom where you see your profile, you just click on here, then you'll see the pop-up, and here this is where you're going to see the account setting. And then if you click on this account setting, it is going to open for you the setting page, and from the setting page you can see we have 4 different tabs here, and then you can just switch around the tabs. And if you can see here, we have the workspace and team. This is where you're going to add the team members. And so here, this is where you're going to invite the team member basically. So you just type the email of the team member here. After typing the email, then from there, whatever, you click on invite. Then after clicking the invite, an email will be sent to your team member, alerting them about the invitation, and they will just accept it. Now if a team member logged in, that's when they will see now the invitation. They can either accept it, or they can accept it via the dashboard or via the email. So let me show you how the team member will see the dashboard. Yeah, so right now, as you can see, I've logged in as a team member, and this is a team member dashboard basically. So as you can see right now, I'm in Peter's workspace, basically the workspace, the one I invited from the admin. So this is my workspace basically. If I come here and then I switch, this is my normal workspace, and as you can see right now, I'm in a startup plan. But now if I come, because I was invited, after accepting the invitation, I'll just come and then I'll switch now to whatever Peter Yasser's workspace. If I click here, then automatically it will switch me to Peter's workspace. Then from there, I'll start now do all the posting. I can do all the posting. I can regenerate ideas, repurpose post, and then see all the analytics, see the calendar, everything I can see here in Peter's account. So as you can see, this is the best way and then the easiest way on how to collaborate with your team member if you're using this system. Yeah, as you can see, this is the team member account. So the team member can also switch back to their account, and then they can start also posting on their account. So as you can see, it is pretty much easy and very smooth for you and user friendly for you to pivot around the platform. Bye bye.